how to make Google Docs read aloud to you. In this video, I'll show you how to make Google Docs read aloud to you. So to get started, go ahead and open Chrome Web Store into your device. So in here, go ahead and search for Chrome Web Store and then open it. Using the search bar, go ahead and search for Read Aloud. So click on the Read Aloud text-to-speech result from here, and then click on this Add to Chrome button to install this extension into your browser. And then once you have installed this extension to your browser, it will take you into a new page where it will teach you how you can use Read Aloud to make your Google Docs read aloud to you. So click on this Let's Try button to try it out, and then the Read Aloud extension would immediately read aloud the sample text that they have in this page. So you'll be able to find this extension on the Extensions tab. So once you head over into your Google Docs, simply click on the Read Aloud extension to start using the extension to your Google Docs. And that is how you can basically make Google Docs read aloud to you. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.